Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Shopee tutorial for beginners video, the best place for Shopee seller tips and tricks. If you have been following me, you know that I have been sharing a lot of Shopee tips. And for today, I will be sharing about Shopee Free Shipping Special Program. So please stay to the end of today's sections because you must be clear on how the program works before you decide if you want to join the programs. And also, I have prepared a complimentary e-commerce business plan just for you. In this 35 pages guide, I'll show you how you could start your e-commerce business in just simple 10 steps. So please make sure you grab this guide in the comment below before it is out of stock. If you are first time here, hi, I'm Vernette. I'm an e-commerce coach. I help corporate females who start in 9 to 5 to start e-commerce business and coach them to become the expert in the field. Release weekly video in this channel to share tips and tricks of e-commerce business. So if you are interested to learn more about e-commerce, please subscribe and click the little bell to receive weekly video from me. First of all, Shopee has many programs offered to a seller all the time. You as a seller must evaluate carefully each of the program before you join because not all the program might be suitable for your business conditions now. With that being said, let's dive in. So what is Shopee Free Shipping Program? The Shopee Free Shipping Program is a high-performance program that has proven to bring significant sales to all participants, sellers. And for Singapore context, it is only open to preferred seller status. Why is this program important? Well, it is a win-win program whereby buyer enjoy free shipping from the purchase, while for seller can enjoy exposure for huge traffic that leads to more conversions as in sales. Let's talk about benefit. What is the benefit for buyer? As for buyer, it is a cost saving. Why? Because as a free shipping seller, buyers are able to enjoy free shipping when they make a purchase from your store. From seller point of view, you just need to pay seller shipping fee, which is a cost saving for you. So you might ask, so who is going to pay the buyer shipping fee? The answer is Shopee. Another benefit for seller is with this program, it gives you a high chance to increase your sales conversions because all shop items will be labeled as free shipping. This is to attract much more traffic to your store to increase your sales. And because it increases the huge traffic volume to your sales, means it is a free marketing campaign to you as a seller. All of your product will be featured on the daily basis on the free shipping special market site. Search filter for free shipping products, free shipping banners without a single cost to you. However, there is a participant fee of 2.14% for Singapore context. Well, this fee is on top of the transactions fee. So take an example. If you have a product that you sell at $10, then you need to take into considerations of 2.14 transactions fee and then plus another 2.14 participant fee for free shipping programs. So I hope today's video helpful to you in evaluate your current business situation, whether your business is suitable to take part in this shipping free programs. So I see you next week.